It is possible to delete the whole setup of dynamic viewports if you want to start over on a fresh. This is done in Layouts, and under Actions, we have the button Delete Setup. You now need to confirm that you really want to delete all the setup. And to confirm again, because it would delete all your setup and it's not possible to retrieve. And now the whole setup has been deleted. And if you want to generate a new setup, you can do this as well from Layouts. Under Actions, Generate Setup. And now the standard setup is back.